Hi there, my name is Dr. Andrew Linklater and I'm one of the emergency and critical care specialists at the Animal Emergency Center. We're going to go over today how to do the Heimlich maneuver on a dog in case you were ever to have the unfortunate event where a choking incident were to occur. So you always want to take a little bit of prevention and make sure that there aren't any toys or apple cores or small little racquetballs around the house that might actually cause such a thing. But if it were to happen, what do we do? The first thing we want to know is what are the typical signs of choking, and you'll actually notice that if you look closely and you're able to see their gums or their tongue, hers are nice and pink. If we see a blue color to them, that can be a sign of choking. Often they can be pawing at their face quite frantically like this, and they actually won't be making any noise like coughing or gagging, that sort of thing. So the first thing, if you're able to do it, is actually just open up your dog's mouth just like this and sweep the back of the throat with your fingers. It's a good thing to practice at home just to get a little bit of a feel for it if they'll let you do that. And sweep the back of the throat and remove anything that's abnormal. Now obviously sometimes there's a foreign body that can be lodged quite far back in their throat, and so we want to actually try to perform the Heimlich maneuver. Well, there's two ways that we can do that in dogs. One is to perform a quick thrust to the chest, which can be performed if they're lying on their side like this, and essentially over the widest part of the chest, and you can see the widest part of her chest is right about here. You just want to take both hands and give a quick thrust to the chest like that, a little bit harder than I've demonstrated here, and that will hopefully dislodge the object from the throat. Now it's not going to go flying across the room, so you do need to again open their mouth and sweep the back of their throat to remove the foreign object. The second way that we can perform it, particularly on larger dogs, is just how it's done in people. So if you're standing behind your dog or kneeling behind your dog like this, you can lift them up just like this and take your fist and go up and under the back edge of their sternum here. And again, a quick upward and forward thrust with both hands ideally, again, will dislodge that object from their throat. And so we just want to go up and forward like that. And if they're standing, you can be standing as well. If they're a rather large dog, you want to go up and forward just like that. Again, you want to take your fingers and sweep the back of the throat to remove any object that may have been in there, because it's only just going to dislodge it from the airway enough so we can remove it. And that hopefully you'll never come across, but if it happens, you'll know how to help your pet. I do recommend that if that happens, that you do still get your pet in to see a veterinarian, because there are some serious complications that can occur after choking, and you can give us a call at the Animal Emergency Center.